Hello everybody, this is Adam Wu from MacTech. Today we continue for the self-lock panel introduction. Let's have a close look of this panel. You can see they have some details design, especially very nice. From the edge of this bend, you can make this can make this edge very strong. And when you touch and handle the panel, you will not scratch your fingers. Also, they have small ribs on these flats. Because here is for the nail, then this design will make the nail place more stronger, so the nail can hold more tighter on the trusses or the frame of the building, so it will be more stronger roofing. And they also here have the design for the bend. This make this side is more strong also. The two detail sides can make the panel joint much better. Thank you.